do it. I know the standard, right? Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for tea. Thank you, God, for the way that you came alive to me in herbalism. Thank you, God, for the way that you became such a bigger God when I started looking at the things all around me. Instead of just seeing trees and plants, I started seeing healing. Healing that every single day I walked past and I didn't see the healing. And God, I thank you for the way that you have helped open my eyes to see healing in plants. And God, I pray for the people who can't understand it. I pray for the people when it makes no sense.